This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Flipkart product page and immediately locating the ratings and reviews area. This saves time and targets user feedback. Once on that section, tap the filter and sort icons so you can view newest, most helpful, or only 5-star reviews depending on your goal. Make sure to note the review count and average rating at the top. These numbers quickly tell you credibility and sample size before reading individual comments. You then analyze each review's quality by checking for verified purchase tags and the review date to avoid outdated feedback. Once done, read a mix of high, medium, and low ratings and prioritize reviews with photos or videos because they show real use. Make sure to spot recurring issues or repeated praise across reviews, since patterns reveal consistent strengths or defects rather than one-off experiences. You finish by weighing review themes against the product specs, warranty, and your essential requirements. This is how you decide to buy or skip. Once done, cross-check the seller rating and queue and for delivery or packaging details that reviews might omit. If reviews aren't loading or seem incomplete, try refreshing, clearing your browser cache, or switching to the desktop site. This troubleshooting step resolves most display glitches and ensures you see the full feedback set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.